Hello guys, it's your guy Viera. Welcome back to the Rocket Series Academy. Today we are going to be designing the 9th part of the Rocket Series. Firstly, we are going to draw the external portion of the part, and then we are going to insert some fillets and equally chamfer. Let's get started. File, new, part, unit, inches, sketch, front view, corner rectangle selected, smart dimension, length 0.44, diameter 0.95 divided by 2. Corner rectangle, select this line, hold Control, select this line, make relation collinear. Go for the green check. Smart dimension, diameter 0.821 divided by 2. From this line to the origin, 0.1 inch. This line right to the origin, 0.17. This line to the origin, 0.27. This line right to the origin, 0.34. Okay. Trim entity, power trim selected. Go for the green check. Circle command, just find the origin. Smart dimension, diameter 0.89. Okay. Trim entity, select trim to closeness. Okay, we have to trim this line too. Trim entity. Okay. Right now the sketch is closed. Go for the green check. Feature, revolve base, center of revolution, this axis, quantum, this. Go for the green check. We got an inner hole, so let's do this inner hole. Select this surface, circle command, find the origin just by clicking at the edge of the circle. Smart dimension, diameter 0.505. Okay, feature, extrude cut, direction or through. Go for the green check. Fillet command, fillet of 0.008, this face and this face. Chamfer command, chamfer 0.01, 45 degree. Full preview selected. The surface gives 2 chamfer, 4, 6 chamfer. As you can see in the drawing, we got chamfer equally at the diameter of 0.005. So we got a chamfer in this inner hole. So select this hole, and we got a chamfer. Go for the green check. Material, edit material, search, 6061. TS aluminium, apply, close. appearance, body, we have yellow. With this, we are done with VMS project 16. If you have any question regarding this project, do well to contact us by Facebook or by email, or even leaving a comment in the commenting box. In the next tutorial, we are going to be generating the M&G code required for VMS project 16. Keep liking the video, keep sharing, keep commenting. Thanks a lot guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.